The Balloon Museum in Düsseldorf is a unique and captivating destination that explores the deep relationship between art and emotions through the medium of inflatable art. With exhibitions like Emotion Air, visitors can experience a multi-sensory journey that harmonizes the lightness of inflatable works with the complexity of human feelings. The museum features installations that are not just artworks, but emotional carriers, leading guests into a vivid and intense world. Each piece is designed to provoke an intimate dialogue with one's feelings, offering a unique insight into the complexity of human experience. From monumental installations that rise majestically in the exhibition space to more intimate works that engage visitors in personal reflection, the Balloon Museum offers a comprehensive overview of the diversity of artistic approaches in this innovative field.